Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will write a program that will ask the user to give a string or a sentence, and then our program will count the capital letters and lowercase letters in a given string or sentence using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. And then I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, and Ma'am Robilino for always watching our videos. If you want to shout out your name, just leave your name and then word shout out in the comment section on my video. So thank you so much. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. By the way, I'm using PyCharm Community Edition that is free to download in the website of JetBrains in working in this program. So we have here capital_small.py. When we are working with Python language, the extension should be py. In our command, Jake Rodriguez Pompirada, MIT, and then I have two websites where you can download complete source code for free. The first one is www.jakerpompirada.blogspot.com, and then the other one is www.jakerpompirada.com. Currently, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development. You can reach me in my personal email address at jakerpompirada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very reasonable cost. And then my location is Barangay Mandalagan, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So line number 7, print. And then the title of our program, count capital and small letters in a word using Python. New line, line number 9. And then here we are asking the user to give a word that will be stored, or a sentence in a variable word. And then here the number of letters, sum 1 for A in a word if A is upper. This is a function that will count the number of capital letters in a given string or sentence. The same thing here, number of lowercase or lower letters, sum function, it will count 1 for looping statement A in a word if A is lower. Another function in Python. Print line and a program that tells the user that the program has been ended in print. One of the interesting features of Python, it has so many built-in functions, especially in string manipulation, that makes programming much easier. It is somewhat similar to PHP programming language that has so many built-in functions. Okay, so the next step that we will do is to test our program. So let us click the play button here. So our program is currently running count capital in small letters in a word using Python. Kindly give a word. Let's say for example, computer programming. Okay, so the number of capital letters in the word computer programming is 7. That are COPGMMI, and then the number of lower letters is 12. That will be MPU, TER, PRO, RA, and G. End of program. Another example, let's say information. The word information, we have here the number of capital letters. We have 5. That will be letter I, M, T, I, and O. And then for the lowercase, small letters, we have N, F, O, R, A, N. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write, count capital and small letters in a word using Python programming language. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete and free source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you're new and then you like this video by clicking the subscribe button. Click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.